Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's video is about why it is important to understand Al Quran. The Holy Quran is a miracle, a blessing, a healer, a mercy, and a reminder for all humankind. But it depends on us how much we are willing to get the maximum benefits from it. Only the recitation of Holy Quran can give you countless benefits. It not only improves spiritual health but also physical health, increases your good deeds, a gateway to Jannah. It will be a witness on the day of judgment. Allah will raise the status of people and nations because of this book. As it is mentioned in the book itself, verily, Allah raises nation by this book and puts down others by it. Beside reciting it, understanding the teaching of Al-Quran is also important, as it is mentioned in Holy Quran, and indeed I have made understanding the Quran easy. इस कुरान को हमने आपकी ज़बान में आसान कर दिया ताकि वो समझें. As when we see the foremost purpose of Holy Quran, it is the guidance and primary teaching for mankind, solving a particular question, dealing with the requirements of particular occasion, and general advice for the people. Quran is a source of guidance for everyone, especially for those who want to get successful in this world and hereafter, as this is the right of Quran to believe in it, read it, understand it, ponder its verses, act upon it, and share it with others. As it is mentioned in Ibn Majah, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam ने फरमाया, अबू ज़र, अगर आप अल्लाह की किताब से एक आयत सीखेंगे तो वो आपके लिए 100 रकात नमाज से बेहतर है. And here are some of the tips for understanding the Quran. Purify your intentions. Use a reliable translation if you don't understand Arabic. Never study a verse in isolation from other verses and hadith on this topic. Prioritize the explanation of Prophet and his companions. Check if there is a reason for revelation and understand its relevance. Always clarify fiqh and aqidah verses with the scholar. And for a deeper understanding of Quran, familiarize yourself with the science of Quran, Ulumul Quran. Among all these, the most important factor is the tafsir of Quran. All matters concerning the Islam is based on proper understanding of the guidance from Allah. Without the help of tafsir, there would be no right to understanding the different passages of Quran, as it is mentioned in Al-Quran, and we have sent down the book to you as an explanation for everything. A guidance, a mercy, and glad tidings for Muslims. Hope you find this video useful. Sharing beneficial knowledge is sadaqah. So keep watching and keep sharing.